Try it again. You gotta get pictures of all this, aren't you?
It's a good ball.
Yep.
You'll get this one.
And words of wisdom went up, you know. I'm up for all this here.
Well, your stance is a little tight. Probably need to open up your stance just a little bit.
Okay.
Where you're getting more of your body movement. You're just kind of too firm. Get that soft dance movement going. Oh, look at the man!
On the green, baby. On
Look
the green.
at the man. That is either on or just off.